Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basic English. Today our topic is English questions about what. 1. What are you doing? What are you doing? 2. What is your name? What is your name? 3. What do you think? What do you think? 4. What do you see? What do you see? 5. What do you feel? What do you feel? 6. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? 7. What's the matter? What is the matter? 8. What is the difference? What is the difference? 9. What is going on? What is going on? 10. What is your problem? What is your problem? 11. What do you know? What do you know? 12. What do you like? What do you like? 13. What do you need? What do you need? 14. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? 15. What do you do? What do you do?